I'm Marco, a third-generation pesto maker from Genoa. For me, pesto isn't just a sauce, it's a piece of my heritage. The key to perfect pesto genovese lies in its simplicity and the quality of its ingredients. Fresh basil, pungent garlic, rich olive oil, pine nuts, and aged Parmesan. Each element plays a crucial role. We start by gently tearing the basil leaves. This releases their aromatic oils without bruising. Next, we toast the pine nuts to enhance their nutty flavor. The garlic is crushed, releasing its pungent aroma that will infuse the entire dish. Now, the alchemy begins in the mortar and pestle. This traditional method preserves the texture and flavor of each ingredient. As we grind, the ingredients begin to melt, releasing their aromas and creating a symphony of flavors. Slowly, we add the olive oil, transforming our mixture into a luscious green sauce. The Parmesan cheese is grated and folded in, adding a salty umami depth to our pesto. While our pesto rests, we cook the pasta, trofie, the traditional Ligurian shape that holds the sauce perfectly. The pasta is cooked al dente, retaining a slight bite that complements the smoothness of the pesto. Finally, we combine the pasta with our freshly made pesto, creating a dish that's both simple and sublime. A sprinkle of extra pine nuts and Parmesan adds the finishing touch. This is Pesto Genovese, a taste of my homeland and a testament to the beauty of Italian cuisine.